Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today let me show you this rounded coffee table that this brand sent to me for this video. Which I want to say about this one is number one, that is really easy to assemble. It will take you about 25 minutes, 30 minutes up, no more than that. Then it supports a lot of weight, just combined with the top lift right here and the storage kind of like sections and the other shelves. It supports more than 200 pounds, so you can put heavy stuff in here if you want. But the other best thing is about the size. It's not super big, yet not really small. It has 18 inches right here, tall, 18 inches, but when you activate this, which I think it is really cool, check this out. This right here, it has a storage. This one transformed to be 24 inches. It comes with storage. So you can actually put your remote controllers, you can put your glasses, you can put your books, you can put a blanket, you can put pillows, you can put whatever, and then put it back to the original position, which is like this. Really easy to assemble. You may think that it's not because of the mechanisms inside here, but they're actually really easy to assemble. Let's take a closer look. So this is how it looks with the wood or the wooden accents, and of course it comes with multiple shelves right here. These are going to be the side shelves, and it comes with a bottom shelf as well as the metal legs that have a rubber pad at the bottom so it won't damage your wooden floor. But then when you do this and you gotta lift it from both sides, you can see the HUD that has this hydraulic mechanism that is going to actually put this one on top. So you can use this two ways. You can use this to have the storage right here, but also if you sit on the other side, you can actually take the table to you to work from this section. So that's going to be kind of like cool to put your legs under the actual, let me show you by the way. So this is kind of what I was telling you. So if you do this, you can take this one to you and you can use this one as a working station if you lack of a space or something like that. So that is also really good, I have to say. But again, super easy to assemble. It's kind of like a compact and minimalistic style. It also made of a really nice wooden accents and made of wood, and a nice and firm, stable frame with metal legs. And then you have the storage, which I think it is really cool to have. For a home, like a farmhouse style home like mine, for example, this one could be really good as a coffee table, plus the storage, plus the possible working station. Like it. I do recommend it. Thanks for watching. See you soon.